Alright, we are back in the service corridor. What paint? Oh wow, Otis
2000VF.
What floor am I on? -1? Neat elevator, not on -1. It's a 2000 VF, and it rides really nice. There it goes, and what do you think about this one?
I like this one, it's really nice.
It's nice. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.